Okay, we're gonna start this video out by starting up in this hill right here, so I'll just kind of show you. This goes to the monorail, jockey club, and all this stuff, and then this one building that we explored in another video, and we're gonna go down this elevator, and we're gonna go down and we're gonna go check out all this stuff. And just so you get an idea for how high up we are. Like that. Okay, let's go check it out. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are. We're gonna go down there and walk around in a minute. So we're way up above these, actually it's kind of cool if you look at these, you can see all these rooftops. See all these kind of interesting stuff that people, you know, put fences around it. Sometimes they don't, and sometimes they do. Some of them put stuff up there and some of them don't. But it's all kind of interesting. And then you also have this other side too. So yeah, this has a little elevator that takes us to the station and takes us off of this hill and down below. So okay. There's your last look, and then we're going to be down there in the middle of it in a second. Okay, so we're in the elevator, we're coming out the ground floor, and then I'll give you kind of an idea of where we're going to come down at. It's kind of interesting to be on a mountainside and then come up on something like that, right? So yeah, we were basically up there. Let's just see if we can see. So that's where we were at before. It was right up there. Then we could follow that around. And then we could follow the backside of those. But I think we're going to go do something a little bit differently. Okay, so we're going to follow. Then there's a jockey club station right there as well. So all these apartments have access to this particular station, and this has horse racing, I think. So this is the jockey club station. Okay, so that's the monorail, and we're just going to walk straight down and show you some of the shops and some of the stuff that's around here. So yeah, so basically you could be up on that hill. Huh. It's kind of cool. And then you could come right down, you know, so you could be up in the highland, I guess. All right. So you got some pretty cool stuff everywhere. Just for some references, this is all part of Taipa, for one. A little bit busy with traffic. I think we can get through here. Avenida de Quang Tung. So this is the other side of all those apartments. So we were looking on the other side of these apartments from way up there, right? So let's just sneak by here. Let me see. Yeah, this is kind of a nice wall of apartments actually. Grupo Dayful Group Limited. This is kind of how the okay. Shangu Noodle. It's a noodle shop right there. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking though. Yeah, then this particular area, on the other side of this is that mountain, which is kind of funny because you don't really have any sense of that mountain at all. from here. There's a subway right here, and then this little area is used to be a bar called the Irish Bar here, which is long gone now. It's a wall of apartments blocking out a mountain view. And then this kind of goes right into this other little apartment complex as well. It's pretty cool. So yeah, you can hang out in here, I guess. Okay. Chachaco. So yeah, this apartment, there's some more restaurants. There's a Korean restaurant here too. The restaurants seem to be changing a little bit. Yeah, and actually you always have this big wide open space, but all these tall apartments everywhere, so it's kind of interesting thing because it's pretty well located. Then you have all these residential stuff everywhere, tall massive buildings, stores everywhere, but then you have this kind of big open space. I'm not sure the reason behind all the open space exactly. I don't know if originally they used to have something in there. Yeah, it's pretty cool though. Anyways, it's really cool. Yeah, I like it a lot. Amazing, actually. Okay. And there's used to be a little bar area here too. So yeah, this used to be a bar area where you could, there's a place right here called Sports Bar. And then this one used to be double the size, and then they cut it in half. They created two different establishments. Oh, they're changing it all again. So, okay. Well, anyways, they're changing that place, so that's all going to be. There used to be like about 3 bars in that area. Now they're all gone. This is all being torn down too. Huh. Anyways, this is such a cool little spot. Let's see if we can get into this area. So you can do all this stuff. And it looks like there are also used to be tons of like all these buildings too. They're all kind of abandoned. And I don't know, maybe they were just like storage sheds, but now they're all going to be gone as well. And then of course tons of Taipa apartments everywhere. And all these ones too. So, okay, let's see. So maybe we'll go back in here. And then we're gonna end this one in a minute. Yeah, pretty cool. Really like this one a lot. Whoa. So we're gonna get back in the middle, and then I'm gonna turn off the camera. Looks like you can also go from building to building through those overpasses like that. And you know, this one and this one. So okay. So maybe we'll just do a little 360. Then we're gonna end this video. Right there. Chiquinha,